So today, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to step away from chemistry for a bit, take a break, and have some creative fun. So Shark Tank, I'm sure you've seen the show. It is where people pitch business ideas to the sharks, and then the sharks offer investment opportunities into these businesses, or they don't, if they don't think they're going to go off the ground. So you are going to take today and tomorrow to do this assignment. I'm going to give you a little extra time because why not? We live in a time where things are crazy right now, so we can take a little extra time on this. So what I recommend you do is I recommend that you create 1 through 4 if you can today, and get as far as you can. And then there's some online tools here to help you, name generators, floor plan type thing. Canva, if you've not used it, is a good tool for making graphics, and you can make your menu off that. I'm sure they have templates on there for menus. I've used it for other things. I have not used it for menus, but it is super easy to navigate if you have not used this before. And even if you've never made a graphic, you can do so. And then you can create a website via the sites.google.com here, which is your last step. Once you do that, so you follow the steps here, and it gives you some different tips like using keywords and so on and so forth, and you can get as creative with this as you want. And doing an a menu, you can keep that as fairly simple or as extravagant as you'd like, and then creating your website. So you'll have these pictures and these links and so on and so forth. So in for pitch day, which is in tomorrow, there's a slide deck that is in tomorrow's assignment. You can do a video of walking me through your stuff on your screen, just like I do with this. Screencast-O-Matic works. This is what Screencast-O-Matic is what I'm using right now to give you information, so you can walk me through your project that way if you wish. You can put it in a slide deck, which I have for you already. So if you do a video, you can link it in the slide deck for me so that I can take a look at it. And so on and so forth. And if you want to create a website for your actual pitch, you can do that as well. So you go ahead and there's really nothing to submit here, but you can use that slide deck and I didn't put it in there, but I will put a Tuesday in here with a blank slide deck for you to use for submitting your assignment. You can edit this in any way you want. So if you want to put your notes in here and you don't have to submit it, that's fine. If you want to keep them all in one spot, that's up to you. Or you can put them in the blank slide deck. So have fun with it, and have a fantastic day.